is a statement about the policing culture in North Charleston. Now, there is some data for you about this. There's a report out there that hundreds of people have been shot at by police in the last few years. None are convicted of wrongdoing. So is this just because there's a lot of crime in the area, or is the truth something more disturbing? We have CNN's Brian Todd going through the numbers for us in North Charleston. And what do they show, Brian?
Well, Chris, talking to community activists and local citizens, they are almost to a person telling us this is not a one-off in North Charleston, and it's certainly a pattern in South Carolina. As you mentioned, the numbers bear that out. According to one state newspaper analysis, police in South Carolina have fired their weapons at 209 suspects over the past 5 years. Some of those officers have been accused of pulling the trigger illegally, but astonishingly, there have been no convictions of officers in those 209 incidents over the past 5 years. We have 3 examples for you that kind of bear out just some of the accusations of improper use of force, not just by handguns, but by tasers. March 2014, a North Charleston police officer right here, he was sued for excessive force against a black teenager. February of 2014, a white police officer was charged with misconduct, also charged with discharging a firearm into an occupied vehicle after fatally shooting a black man in his driveway in South Carolina. Also in September of last year, a state trooper allegedly shot and wounded an unarmed black man during a traffic stop. So again, Chris, those stats are jarring enough, but again, you talk to people around here, activists and just people you encounter in the street, and they do say that African Americans do feel targeted by the police. They feel like they're profiled. We've seen this over and over again in Ferguson, Madison, and New York. And now, of course, we're seeing it here.
And they had specific policing issues there in the 2008-2009 time. They made changes, and that's when you started to hear about culture changes for the worse. Brian, thank you very much for putting numbers to these suppositions.